Hi folks, this is Nishant, the developer of this system. I would be defining various aspects of this system to you. Starting on with hardware, as you can see, this whole system is split into three parts. That is because the placing of all these three units would be at different places. Like control system, which is there to show information and control the whole gadgetry, would be installed indoors. The second unit, which is the tank manager, will provide information regarding the tank levels and purity in terms of various germs like green algae, etc. This would be installed nearby tanks. The third unit, which is the supply manager, will provide information regarding water supply line using a sensor at the place from where municipality water comes, so as to note water intake by your household. And also this system receives information from the tank manager that when the tank is filled, switch the motor off. Now this unit would be installed nearby water supply line and motor. All these three units interact with each other, and the control unit displays and commands the tank manager and supply manager, plus displays every information like purity levels, water tank levels, room temperature, etc. All these functions I will integrate in the system. Control unit is controlled by using a wireless remote, and while the system is not being utilized, the LCD turns into a nice wall clock. Now the water saving part. The control system computes the usage and intake of water every day, giving you a precise knowledge of your consumption levels, thereby giving you the ability to control and maintain your consumption at accepted levels. It computes consumption by noting consumption from two places. Firstly, from the supply line, giving info regarding how much water actually is intake by your household, and second, by noting the tank levels that are changed over a course of 24 hours. It also keeps a due check of water purity in terms of bad elements in the water like blue-green algae, turbidity, or other chemical solvents. So I hope that this description has been precise and you all have understood what all my system is all about. Stay tuned for more videos regarding the project. Bye.